So here we are on the outskirts of Caleta, and we're here today to check out the facilities in and around the Atlantico Shopping Centre. There are 3 hotels within a 5-minute walk of the Atlantico Shopping Centre, all offering luxury accommodation, only 15 minutes from the airport, with buses and taxis right on your doorstep. Also nearby is the conference centre, spa, casino and golf course. On the ground floor of the Atlantico Centre is the children's play area. Also on the ground floor are several bars and restaurants. Moving inside the centre is Ozone, an arcade with a bowling alley inside. Also on the ground floor is a cinema, which shows films in English most Tuesdays. Moving up the escalators to the first floor, we come to the shopping area, where you will find 20 shops or more, plus a supermarket. Leaving the shopping centre, we move outside to check out the beach and promenade. If you've enjoyed today's walk around the Atlantico Centre, hit the like button and subscribe. Well, there you have it. That's what's on offer at the Atlantico Shopping Centre. If you've enjoyed today's trip, join me again next time. In the meantime, be happy.